Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use a search bar in Windows 11. So let me go here, and after that now I want to go in H drive, and then I want to go in this folder. Okay, now I want to filter out these video files. So for example, let me add here MP4. So these are all the files that matches this keyword. So let me show you. If I right click and then click on properties, so this one is the extension that is using this keyword mp4. So now just I can select all of these files, and now let me go back, then I can add these files here. So in this way you can easily use this search functionality in Windows.